Have you ever found yourself stuck in a situation that's clearly not working, but instead of walking away, you double down? You pour more time, energy, and resources into it, hoping for a different outcome? If this sounds familiar, you might be riding a dead horse. The dead horse theory is a satirical metaphor that perfectly captures how people, organizations, and even governments handle unsolvable problems. Instead of accepting reality, they cling to futile efforts, wasting time, money, and energy. Let me explain. Imagine you're riding a horse. You've been riding it for miles, but suddenly, you realize the horse is dead. It's not moving. It's not breathing. It's over. The logical thing to do is to get off, bury the horse, and find a new way to move forward. But here's the twist. In real life, people rarely do the logical thing. Instead of dismounting, they try everything but admitting the horse is dead. They buy a new saddle, hoping it'll make the horse look better. They improve the horse's diet, even though it's been dead for weeks. They fire the caretaker and hire someone new, as if that'll magically bring the horse back to life. They even hold meetings to discuss how to make the dead horse run faster. Let's bring this to life with some real-world examples. A company invests millions in a new product. But it's a flop. Customers hate it, sales are non-existent, and the market has moved on. Instead of cutting their losses, they hire consultants, spend more on marketing, and blame the sales team. They're riding a dead horse, hoping it'll somehow gallop again. Or think about a government program designed to reduce poverty. Years later, it's clear the program isn't working. But instead of shutting it down, they increase the budget, form committees, and blame the previous administration. The dead horse keeps getting ridden, while taxpayers foot the bill. And it's not just organizations. Ever had a toxic friendship? You know, the kind where you're always giving, and they're always taking? Instead of walking away, you buy them gifts, make excuses for their behavior, and blame yourself. You're riding a dead horse, hoping it'll magically come back to life. So why do we do this? Why do we keep riding dead horses? There are a few reasons. Sunk cost fallacy. We've already invested so much, we can't quit now. Fear of change. It's easier to stick with the familiar, even if it's broken. Ego. Admitting failure feels like a personal defeat. Groupthink. Everyone else is riding the dead horse, so we go along with it. Hope. That irrational belief that things will magically improve. But here's the good news. We don't have to keep riding dead horses. We can choose to dismount. To cut our losses. To learn from our mistakes and move on. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation that's clearly not working, ask yourself, am I riding a dead horse? And if the answer is yes, have the courage to get off. Bury the horse. And find a new way forward. Because life is too short to waste on dead horses. It's time to stop riding and start thriving. Thank you for listening. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and ideas. Let's keep learning and growing together. Until next time, take care.